Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to download a MS Word online document. Friends, if you have created a MS Word document online which you want to download on your computer, so you simply need to open your online Word document. Now here you need to click on File. Now in options under create a copy, you need to click on download a copy. You can also share this file in email as a link, but we need to download a copy of this file on our computer. So I will click on download a copy. Now here click on download. Now our Word document is downloaded on our computer. So you can save this on your computer. So friends, like this you can very easily download a MS Word online document on your device. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.